Hi everyone, how are you? Well, it's almost St. Patrick's Day, and that means the leprechauns will be coming to find the gold. I'm a little leprechaun, short and fat. Here is my shamrock, here is my hat. If people try to catch me, I will duck. The Irish say I bring good luck. So let's make a leprechaun hat today so we can pretend to be leprechauns. And these kits are available at the library for you. So we need to add our black to our hat. And then, of course, we need to cut it to make it look nice. I know you'll take more time than I do to make it look good. Okay, let's add a gold buckle to our hat. You can just use any kind of glue that you have. And, oh, I have a shamrock here to put on my hat, because shamrocks are lucky. And then we have some strips so we can add to our hat to make sure that it fits you. And your mom or dad or guardian can help you make sure that it fits properly. So you could go around all day being a leprechaun. And there's your leprechaun hat. I hope you have a lucky day today. See you soon. Bye.